कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Mahatma Gandhi University Bernihat hak arflai trigulber arja afsau kala Pynkup Burom yek saus pak handai pelaingon ki Samla Pule ki bela Pyndep yek graduation hak bau Ilyas Ali ubala yo yek khusnam pat mashri ulalong kongsan ringkat ke jing sakhi lang jong Chancellor u Dr. Ranjan Chopra u Vice Chancellor u Dr. Dibrata Das kinong hikai bat ki Samla Pule Naik saus pak handai pelaingot ki Samla Pule shispa san pesangot ki degi bela Pyndep yak postgraduate arspa andrup wengot yak graduate ba nyopu prangot hilayo yak kerdan PhD
Actually, I have to call Dr. Thanishwar Kalita and Dr. Banithanath. I'm so sorry. Next PG students, please be in queue. First one is Nahatala.
Today at Mahatma Gandhi University, its third convocation program, we have awarded 493 degrees to the student, out of which there are 154 are postgraduate, 78 are PhD, and remaining are graduate degrees. So congratulations to all the graduates for their future endeavor. Thank you very much.